In this video, we're going to discuss 4 principles to attain personal freedom. Make sure you watch the end because the video is going to reveal the key to personal development. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Valentine. I'm an school teacher, and on this channel, we explore the strategies, tools, and techniques to live happy, healthy, and fulfilled life. And without further ado, let us jump into the topic of the day right now. This video will contain different topics to attain personal freedom. Number 1, be impeccable with your words. Number 2, don't take anything personal. Number 3, don't make assumptions. And number 4, always do your best. If you like videos about personal development and fulfillment, click the like and subscribe icon and on the notification bell so YouTube will notify you once I upload new content. Being impeccable with our words reminds me that my word is the power I have to create and is the most important thing God has created in a human being. As it is written, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. And also, in the beginning, God created heaven and earth, light, ocean, animal, and so on, out of nothing but by His word. The cognitive interpretation of this means that our words are powerful. Listen to what you say about yourself. It is a reflection of who you are. We were created in the image and likeness of God, so our words are powerful. Through the words of our mouth, we express our creative power. It is through our word everything manifests. Regardless of what language we speak, our intents manifest through the word. Our dreams, our feelings, and what we are will be manifested through the word. The centurion understand this when he told Jesus Christ, "I'm not worthy for you to enter under my roof, but only say the word, and my servant shall be healed." Our words are like sword. One edge is impeccability, which makes us to live life with love, peace, and tranquility. The other edge is the misuse, which often creates fear and misfortune depending on how it is used. We talk to ourselves constantly in our mind, and what we say affects our physical well-being, growth, and progress. We have to be disciplined in our thoughts. If you always say, "I'm stupid," "I'm a fool," "I'm not good enough," "I'm not smart enough," or you are using sloppy words, you are subconsciously making those agreements in your mind that you are stupid. Your mind will go different directions, getting hooks, anchors, and clues to show that you are stupid. If you understand this first agreement, being impeccable with your words, you will see many changes that will happen in your life. First, you have to change the way you deal with yourself and change the way you deal with others. You can measure the impeccability of your words by your level of self-love. How much you love yourself and how much you feel about yourself are directly proportional to the quality and integrity of your words. When you are impeccable with your words, you will feel good, you will feel happy and at peace. When you are impeccable, you always take responsibility for your action. You will not judge or blame yourself. The second way to attain personal freedom is not to take anything personal. This is what I always remind myself every day. What people and you think about me is not important. What I say and my thoughts is very, very important to my progress. All I need to do is to stay calm with an untroubled spirit. Whatever people think, feel, is not my problem, it is their problem. So I don't take it personal. It is the way they see the world. It is nothing personal because they are dealing with themselves and not me. People will have different opinions based according to their belief system. So nothing they say about me is true. It is just a reflection of themselves. I learned that if I make a strong habit of not taking things personal, I will avoid many upsets in life. Anger, fear, envy, jealousy, and even sadness will disappear if I don't take things personal. During our upbringing, our parents, siblings, teachers, and people around us give opinion about us without thinking, and we believe them and start living in fear of their opinion. Like you're not good in public speaking, reading, writing, or no technical skill. Don't believe any opinion people say about you that is not in line with faith, that is not in line with what God put in your heart. Please show some love by clicking the like and subscribe icon. It does not cost you anything to help this video to reach other viewers. The third way to attain personal freedom is not to make assumptions. The way to keep myself from assumption is to ask questions. Make sure my communication is clear. If I don't understand anything, I keep asking questions and not assume that I know. You have to be who you are and don't present false image about yourself. The truth is that you will surely find someone who loves you for who you are. For the meantime, if someone declines you for who you are, it's okay for the person to go while you move ahead. The fourth way to attain personal freedom is to always do your best. In all circumstances, you should always do your best. No more, no less. Your best is never going to be the same at all times. Everything alive is subject to change. Sometimes it will be high, while the other time it will be low. And regardless of the quality, I'll keep doing my best. No more, no less than my best. If I try too hard to do more than my best, I will spend more energy, and at the end, my best will not be enough. When I overdo it, it depletes my energy and it goes against me. But if I do less, I will subject myself to frustration, self-judgment, guilty, and regret. This is what I always tell myself whenever I want to do more and focus on only my project. I'm not in this life to sacrifice my happiness, joy, and peace on only my project, but I'm in this life to live, to enjoy, and to love my life. Doing my best, I'm going to live my life intensely, productively, and intentional. I'm going to focus on my family, my community, and every aspect of life, not just my project. I always take advantage of opportunity. My best is to take action and do things because I love it and not because I'm expecting reward. Most people today focus on reward, and this has led to chronic dissatisfaction and unwillingness to help people in need. I know that reward will surely come, but I don't want to attach myself to the reward. Finally, these 4 agreements will help you to understand that our self-thought and our words are so powerful. We need to put them in the right perspective every day. I recommend you to read the 4 agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. This video is an extract from the book, The 4 Agreements, to help me to guide my thoughts and my action, and also to create awareness of the importance of the book. If you find any value in this video, subscribe, like, and share with your friends. I would love to hear from you. Go to the comment section and write the action you would like to take first. If you like this video, you will love this video, how to find your purpose. Click on the card or go to the description below and click on the link to watch it. Go to my blog, umevalentine.blogspot.com, and read this article that I convert to video. Sign up for my newsletter. Thank you for watching. Until next time.